Arey yaar, you know when you suddenly start going hic, hic and it just won't stop. That's a hiccup. And let me tell you why it happens. Inside our body, there's this muscle called the diaphragm. It helps us breathe, like when we breathe in, it moves down, and when we breathe out, it moves up. But sometimes it gets annoyed, like if we eat too fast, drink something fizzy, or even laugh too much. When the diaphragm gets irritated, it suddenly jerks, and that makes us suck in air really quickly. Then, our vocal cords shut really fast, making that funny hic sound. People say drinking water or holding your breath can stop it. My dadi says to get scared suddenly, but bhai, I don't trust that trick. What if I get scared and then get a headache also?